The IT environment has undergone a significant transformation ever since OpenAI released ChatGPT. The OpenAI large language model, LLM, is so capable that it can do a variety of tasks, including creative work like writing essays, computational tasks like crunching numbers, generating code, and more. People are currently making supplemental income with ChatGPT's incredible AI capabilities. Without any prior programming experience, you may easily create apps and services using ChatGPT and its equivalents. Additionally, it's utilized for affiliate marketing, launching new businesses, and a lot more. Let's explore the possibilities, potential avenues, and importance of managing expectations when it comes to making money through ChatGPT. Content generation. Content generation is an integral part of many industries, and ChatGPT can indeed be a valuable tool in this regard. Coming up with fresh ideas for blog posts, articles, or social media captions can sometimes be challenging. ChatGPT can provide a starting point by generating a range of ideas based on specific keywords or topics. ChatGPT can generate initial content drafts, saving content creators time and effort. By providing relevant information and specific instructions, users can prompt ChatGPT to generate paragraphs or sections of text related to a given topic. ChatGPT's ability to generate responses based on patterns and existing data can be beneficial for expanding creative thinking. Content creators can engage in interactive conversations with ChatGPT, brainstorm ideas, and explore different angles for their content. Build an app, website, or service. Building a product is the next best method to generate money using ChatGPT. And you don't need to learn how to code for this. By providing step-by-step tutorials on how to use frameworks, tool chains, programming languages, etc., ChatGPT may assist you in turning your concepts into tangible products. Ihor Stefurak, a businessman from Ukraine, recently used ChatGPT to build a Chrome extension despite having no programming experience. And 24 hours after starting the extension, he made $1,000. That's crazy, isn't it? In a couple of hours, you may start a business and become a solopreneur. Want to attract an attractive HTML page? Ask ChatGPT. You desire to include Stripe for simple checkout? Ask ChatGPT. Make mistakes along the way? Again, you are more than welcome to request code debugging from ChatGPT. Write ebooks and self-publish. A Reuters story claims that since ChatGPT was introduced, the number of AI-written ebooks has significantly increased on Amazon. This is due to ChatGPT making it simpler to write and conceptualize new ideas. Using the Kindle Direct publishing platform, authors are using ChatGPT to create ebooks on a variety of timely and specialized subjects that are then sold directly on Amazon. Recently, we also made the decision to investigate ChatGPT's potential and use it to compose articles. With the help of ChatGPT, individuals are creating ebooks in a variety of genres, from children's books to inspirational speeches and science fiction novels. You can begin with the plan and gradually add each paragraph to your word processor because ChatGPT does not react with lengthy responses all at once. I discovered this concept when browsing Amazon in search of possible passive income ideas for my company. I then came across this product, which is a children's novel. Okay, what makes it fascinating, you might ask? After conducting my investigation, I was surprised by the amount of money these vendors are making by selling such simple picture books. The product price for this book is $6.47. Therefore, if we multiply the 2,550 ratings by that number, we get a total profit for the book vendor of almost $16,000. ChatGPT can be a helpful tool in writing and self-publishing ebooks. It can assist in idea generation, writing assistance, content expansion, editing, and formatting. However, human editing and refinement are necessary to ensure the accuracy and quality of the final product. By combining the capabilities of ChatGPT with your own writing skills and publishing expertise, you can create and self-publish engaging ebooks that resonate with readers. Become a virtual assistant. ChatGPT can be utilized to develop virtual assistant services, enabling businesses or individuals to automate specific customer interactions. By providing chatbot-like features powered by ChatGPT, users can create scalable solutions that save time and resources. However, extensive customization and ongoing management are necessary for effective deployment. This approach is a little different than building an AI chatbot, which might help you start earning money rapidly. The ChatGPT tool is not too difficult to use, but not everyone has the time or desire to take advantage of it. You may utilize ChatGPT to develop into a full-fledged human assistant for a situation like these and more. The capabilities of ChatGPT have significantly expanded since it gained access to the internet. In a similar spirit, ChatGPT plugins are now available for activation and usage, giving the bot additional authority. Anyone may utilize the AI chatbot to generate income if they have the finest ChatGPT plugins and the necessary expertise on their side. There are many things you may do, from very basic jobs like sending emails and Slack messages to helping customers polish their code and sketching up full tales and even language translation. The best aspect is that a formal degree is not even required. All that is required is in-depth knowledge of ChatGPT, which, to be honest, is widely available at the moment. Although rather unconventional, you may utilize ChatGPT to generate income in this manner. Language translation and tutoring. Language translation and tutoring are areas where ChatGPT can offer valuable assistance. Its language processing capabilities can be harnessed to provide learners with personalized guidance and practice opportunities. ChatGPT can assist in language translation by providing instant translations of words, phrases, or sentences. Learners can input text in one language and receive translations in real time, helping them understand and communicate more effectively. Language translation services can be monetized by integrating ChatGPT into language learning platforms or offering standalone translation services. ChatGPT can act as a virtual language tutor, offering learners personalized guidance and practice exercises. It can provide explanations, examples, and interactive conversations to help learners improve their language skills. This tutoring service can be monetized by offering subscription-based language learning programs that leverage ChatGPT's capabilities. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in language learning, it should not replace human guidance and interaction. Human instructors and tutors play a critical role in providing accurate translations, personalized feedback, and tailored learning experiences. They bring cultural insights, nuanced understanding, and the ability to adapt to individual learners' needs. ChatGPT, while advanced, has limitations. It can generate responses based on patterns and existing data, but lacks true understanding and contextual comprehension. It's important to remember that human intervention and oversight are necessary to ensure accuracy, quality, and ethical considerations. Utilizing ChatGPT for commercial purposes requires adherence to ethical guidelines and legal frameworks. Respect user privacy, avoid spreading misinformation, and ensure compliance with relevant regulations. ChatGPT presents intriguing possibilities for income generation, but it is important to approach this topic with realistic expectations. While opportunities exist, success requires strategic planning, creativity, and careful consideration of market demand. As the technology continues to evolve, the potential for making money through ChatGPT may expand. Remember to navigate the landscape ethically and focus on providing value to users. Embrace the possibilities while understanding the limitations. If you found this video informative and insightful regarding the potential of making money through ChatGPT, please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you more valuable content on the intersection of technology and entrepreneurship. Thank you for being part of our community.